Hello guys, my name is Heber. I'm from Khan Academy, and today we'll be looking at the topic of dividing polynomials with remainders. So our problem for today would be x squared plus 2 divided by 3x to the third power minus 4x squared plus x.
Okay, in solving this polynomial, what number would you multiply x squared to get 3x cubed? So of course, you can multiply by 3. So when you multiply from both, you will end up with 3x cubed. And since there's no x squared in this equation, you'll end up with a placement of a 0. And then we move on to the x, because you could multiply a number to get you an x. So don't forget the 3x, because 2 plus 1 is 3. So you end up with cubed. Alright, from here, the next thing what you do is that you would multiply the 3x times 2, which gives you 6x. And from here on, you subtract. And whenever you subtract, you multiply the subtraction, it changes up the signs. So this one will end up actually being minus, this one will end up being a minus as well. So, as you can tell, 3x cubed subtract 3x cubed, which gives you a negative, well, a 0. So you end up with a 0, that cancels out. From this one, you end up with actually a negative 4x squared plus, remember, you're multiplying a negative minus, a negative multiply positive, which gives you a negative. So you're going to be subtracting negative 6 from a 1. So you end up with minus 5x. From there on, what you would do, you have to end up doing the same thing. So what other number would you multiply to give you a negative 4? So of course you can multiply it by itself, so you end up with a negative 4. So when you do that, you have to distribute again. So you'll end up with a negative 4x squared, plus the 0. Don't forget the plus the 0. And then minus 4 times 2, which gives you a minus 8. And then we do the same thing here. We subtract, multiplying it to change the signs. So remember, you're distributing a negative, so this turns to a positive, and also this one turns to a positive. So when you subtract, this cancels off again, like how this one did, and you end up with minus 5x, because this is a remainder, and then plus the positive 8. So that's our remainder. So this is our remainder, and this is our quotient, so 3x minus 4. And then, so that's our quotient. And our remainder is going to be minus 5x plus 8. Thank you.